another example of the storm yesterday. Took out this entire car right here. Two trees. Just looks like a mess. This is, and then there's a third one over there. This is like the fourth one I've seen at this park. McGorrick Park. There's another one over there. And then you got the ones right here. Another thing, it took out the no parking sign. Good thing nobody was parked here. This was from the storm yesterday. The entire tree collapsed, which, the entire tree. I've never seen anything like this before.